When you opt for dividend mutual fund schemes, Dividend Report is important to check the transactions. Let's check out how you can do that on the mobile app. Once you go to the hamburger menu, within the mutual fund section, you have the mutual fund reports. And within the mutual fund reports, you have the dividend report. Dividend report from last year till date will be available. You can select the date as per your choice from the filter option right here on the top. So you click on that and you can select the date right here. You can also change the view format from the orange icon right next to the filter. Scheme name with its date, dividend paid, dividend reinvested, and folio number will be mentioned, through which the user can come to know what was the amount received. This report helps you to check the dividend receipt, if any, and that's how you will be able to check the dividend report.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.